In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to use Napkin AI for presentation. So let's get started. So first is that you want to go into the website of Napkin AI, which is simply napkin.ai. And then once you're here, you just simply want to log in until you're here in the dashboard. And then you should see all of your previous napkins in here. But if you don't have one, don't worry, you can just click here on New Napkin, and then you can draft with AI, import from file, or start with a blank napkin. In this example, I'm just going to go and draft with AI, and I'm just going to go for this example right here for this tutorial. But of course, you can go with your preferred topic or whatever presentation that you would want to create. So I'll be satisfied with this one right here. So as you can see, AI is writing, and from here we can make some graphs to make our presentation more appealing. Like for example, this one, I'm going to click here, and then it would now present us with engaging elements right here that we could use into our presentation. Like for example, this pros and cons element. I like this, and I'm just going to select a style. I'm going to go for this one for example. And then it will now be pasted in here into our napkin. So we could use that in our presentation. Now, what's next is that you can do the same thing with the other parts in here to make your presentation engaging. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave the other parts as it is, but you can also add some more graphics in there just to make your presentation engaging. But that is for another topic. We'll just be focusing on exporting this as presentation for now. So the next thing is that one pro tip that I can give you is that you can go here into the settings icon, and from here you can turn on page line so that you will be able to see the markings per page for your presentation, and make sure that the page breaks is set into presentation. In that way, you would have these guides. And next is that once you are now all done with everything, you can now click here on share to export this as a presentation by clicking on download PDF, and make sure to select presentation in here and click on download. Now here's the PDF that is downloaded, and here it is. And as you can see, this is the presentation. As you can see, it is very bare. But yeah, if you're satisfied with just this bare presentation with minimal design, then you can just go for this method. But if you would want it to have the design, then I suggest using Canva right here. So anyways, you would be able to just copy the text in here that you have created from Napkin, and then just paste it here into Canva by simply highlighting them and right click, and then you can copy the text and so on. And also this one's especially, so this is what's unique when you're using Napkin with Canva, because you could actually export this graphics right here. You can export that, you can download, and then you can now paste it directly into Canva so that you would have unique assets from Napkin itself, and then you'd be able to make better presentation, because I don't think Napkin is really optimized for presentations. And once it's downloaded, you can now just open it and then just put it in here. And as you can see, I can now import the graphics right here. So that's it. That's how you can use Napkin AI for presentation. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.